Morning, Pants. What you got?
Wedding jacket.
Are you here to help?
Yeah.
Turn around. Right, go shut the workshop gates, and that's your first job.
Get a dog out or what?
Yeah. Graydon's fitting a winch to Sammy's car.
Not the easiest job I've given me, I must admit.
Come on, Graydon.
Not trying to eat the tape measure, Sammy's not Sammy.
Hey, bam! Sharp bits. Let Harry.
Don't need. Oh, wait, that's going to cut your mouth off.
Harry, here. Get the dog out of the way.
8 inches, sorry. We need to cut that line out there.
That's right.
Seriously not.
Thank you. Yes, I know. Thank you for that, Harry.
What happened there, Sammy?
Harry's doing sticky.
Harry, Bo, what were you doing to Graydon? How you getting on there, Bam? Oh, wow, that's looking good. Remember, don't stab yourself with it. Good. Very sharp.
These bits are quite sharp.
Yeah, they're okay. The metal bit at the end is razor sharp, so go careful. Yeah, keep getting all that glue off. That's doing really well.
You're going to cut into the radiator as well? Yes, it's lovely.
Right, move your hand away.
Straight to the hollow, okay?
How you getting on this hand, Bam?
Good!
What are you doing?
Hello, pick the cat. Hello, sweetie.
Where's the paint?
In the cupboard.
Okay. What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're getting all the shiny bits unshinied. Good job.
Grey monster's down there.
Is he doing the fire?
Workshop manual for a Rover 2140.
Definitely not. What are you doing there, Bam?
Oh, we're going to paint my car in there.
Yeah.
Tidy colour, because you know, well, this is basically orange. That's already orange, but we want to make it like more tigerish, so we can go out there and hunt.
What colour do we add to the orange to make it a bit more tigery then?
Well, if you see here, you have some yellow.
Yellow, yeah? How's it mixing up there? That's a bit more tigery, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think it's a little bit more from what I want.
Yeah, keep going. Ready? Let's go. Don't drop it. Ready?
This is Daddy spraying.
You see the distance to keep that distance? And just slightly lower each time. See what's going on? It's only the first coat. Got to put 2 coats on it. Oh, we've got to bend your back down underneath. Reckon.
Yeah.
That's it, keep going, that's good, all the way along. Very good. That's it, all the way, good girl. Not bad.
Just like colouring in.
Gently, that's it, keep it going, keep it going.
Stand back a little bit more, Sammy, and pull the trigger right in.
Yeah, stand back a bit,
That's it, now pull it right in.
pull the trigger in, pull the trigger tight. Good girl.
Right in.
That's it. Good. Keep going. Nearly done it. You've nearly done the whole thing. Whole thing, everything. That's great.